Hi, I'm Andrew Jenkinson and welcome to the Caravan Industry channel. Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm here again at Eldis, or Heimer Group if you want to call it. Consequently, I'm in a motorhome, and it's one of the very first motorhomes actually I looked at for the channel actually back about 4 or 5 years ago now. It's Compass 115. It's a 2-berth, traditional end kitchen, side washroom and wardrobe, little dress in the middle, lounge at the front here, and the old swivel seats. Now this is built on a Peugeot chassis, and we can see that maybe at some stage, if Fiat don't get their act together and get their cabs out there, Ford will really make a steal on their market, because a lot of motor manufacturers are taking the Fords and also the excellent VWs too. But anyway, enough of that. What do I think of this? Well, let's start the tour, and it won't take long because of course it's not very big, but this really is nice and practical. A little coach built motorhome for two. I do like this layout. Right, let's crack on. Right, this is the lounge area of course, and we've got here two settee sindles here, which are ideal for basically sleeping as a sindle, or plenty of room if you've got people coming round, and making also into a big double bed. There's also lots of locker storage above here too. And again, now Eldis do the AutoQuest range, which runs in parallel with this, and of course a different wood finish to this. I still like the Compass Dark wood shells in these, and some good LED lighting too. Storage underneath the bunks here. Just lift that up, you can see just there maybe. Anyway, if you can't, tough luck. No, I don't mean that. Cab of course with the swivel seats where I just sat before, and of course the usual Peugeot layout. And this is a low profile coach built motorhome, so of course you've got a smaller roof end here, which you can still stick some bits at the top, but there is a midi high key roof vent in here, so there's plenty of lighting when it's, you know, even on a dull day I would think it'd be fine. Controls if you're heating, lighting, as I say, nice little LEDs. And also it's got the seating is really comfortable. I really like it. Ideal for two people of course, which it's made for. Let's go into the kitchen area. Right, well, what you notice is that I went and put, what you've got to be careful just before I say anything is that step there, because I've nearly come a cropper, but then I can be just a bit clumsy. We'll stick that there where it's supposed to be. Oops. Good side dresser here, complete with good worktop, main sockets, TV socket, 12 volts, good storage at the top, also the telco area at the top there. It looks very much like the Vision Plus one. Plenty of cupboard storage beneath in a drawer. And also we've got 3-burner hob, spark ignition, oven, grill, Now it's finished in this black, the sink. That looks really, really nice. Looks really near the spots. But what you've got to be careful of is you don't let these scratch, because if you do, well, that's a bit of a job. See, a lot of used stuff that has happened with that, with this black. Luna did it. They had a bit of a run on this black enamel on Deltas, I think, and Clubmans. The idea is don't leave anything in here while you're travelling, because it does move around, it will scratch it. Some drawer here, storage, some more drawers there. We'll leave that there. And also maximum kilos, 6 kilograms there. Don't go sit on it. It's not a chair. Bit extra worktop. And again, I do like the thickness of the worktop. It does feel good and sturdy. There's no microwave in here, but you get plenty of cupboard storage space. Good LED lighting, of course, and of course a roof vent above. And while we're at it, let's have a quick look at the wardrobe, which is big. Loads of hanging space there. Look at that, stacks of that, so not a problem there. That's good. More than enough room. God, you could actually, you could stand somebody up in there. They wouldn't know they were in there, would you? Table, of course, brilliant. And again, I need a heater outlet at the bottom. Let's have a quick look in that washroom. All right. Oops. No window on the side. And I think that wouldn't have gone missed, because they've got a small roof vent in there. And on a dull day it could be quite dark. You have to put the lights on, and if you're showering it could get really, really steamed up. There's not a lot of place for the steam to go. But having said that, it's pretty practical. You've got the Thetford cassette loo, storage above at the top there, and also a decent hand basin. Plus as well, you've got a large mirror here, and the Eco head shower unit. It's all nicely compact. It all works quite well. I could shower in there quite easily. A lot of people probably will use site facilities, but if you're in a lay-by somewhere, not that we of course use lay-bys, most home users or anything like that, you could use it, as long as you got the water, of course. Right, let's go and have a quick Right, I just nearly broke my camera trying to set it in a good spot, actually, because I'm being lazy. I haven't got my tripod with me. What do I think? Well, I think this is a cracking little coach built motorhome for 2 people, and I'm pretty sure that people will like this. As a couple, you won't go far wrong with it at all. There's plenty of space, plenty of room, and there's plenty of kit, to be quite honest. The 115 is exactly the model, as I say, I tested here at Eldest some years ago now, and I liked it. So I'm just going to give it a big light again, because it's really, really warm. But I do like the dark wood, as opposed to the Eldest, the lighter wood. But again, that's just my personal preference. As I say, great for 2 people. It's not too big. It'll fit on most people's driveways, I would think, without upsetting the neighbours. And also, it'll be pretty easy to drive. It's on the Peugeot. As I say, we don't know how long that'll be, because it just depends really how supplies come through. As I said before, a lot of motorhome manufacturers are using the Ford, which they're actually finding out to be quite a decent unit. So plenty of storage, pretty good value. Price is up before the video comes on. TV aerial, blown air heating. Really, what more could you want? Plenty of space here for entertaining. It's fantastic, very spacious. Me and the wife could like this. I'm sure we could. We'd have to take the dog though. That could be a bit of a downer. Mind you, could fit that wardrobe, couldn't it? I'm only joking. I wouldn't put the dog in the wardrobe. No, I wouldn't. See me on the next video, and yeah, please keep subscribing, and remember, this is the channel to watch. I don't know where that came from. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like them. Please don't forget to press the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.